Welcome to Layering 101. What's the hype about layering and why are we even talking about it? Well, there are different types of skincare products in terms of skincare formulations. These are water-based, oil-based, anhydrous, and emulsions. By definition, a water-based serum is a formulation with deionized water, which needs preservatives to ensure that there is no contamination in or of the product. I have an oil-based formulation here, which has oils and no water. With this being the case, this product does not have a pH. And over here, I have an anhydrous serum. An anhydrous serum doesn't have water and it also doesn't have oil. With this being the case, it also doesn't have a pH. Remember that a pH can only be determined in the presence of water, of which pH by definition, it is the logarithmic measure of hydrogen ions in a formulation. Over here, I have an emulsion, which is a blend of oil and water held together by an emulsifier. An emulsifier is a natural substance or a chemical substance that literally has water-loving ends and oil-loving ends. Emulsifiers are actually used to combine together molecules that do not combine, such as water and oil. So let's talk here. What happens when you layer your products in an incorrect manner, specifically taking into consideration oils and water? So now I'm going to take you through what happens when you layer oil and water in an incorrect order. Considering that water has a smaller molecular size in comparison to oil, what happens is as follows. The penetration profile of water is therefore hindered due to the layer that it has to bypass, considering the fact that, remember I mentioned that oil has a bigger molecular size. So it is always best to layer your water-based formulation first and then follow with your oil-based formulation. Here's a quick tip. It is always best to layer your products in order of the most pressing skin concerns. Suppose you have acne and aging, and taking into consideration that you have blemish corrector and anti-aging complex, and let's say maybe your most pressing skin concern is breakouts or acne, it is best to layer your blemish corrector first and then your anti-aging complex afterwards, as these are within the same type of product formulation. Another quick tip, you can always switch out between layering your products within the same type of formulation. For instance, let's say you have dark mark management and blemish corrector. You can literally switch up layering between the two. For instance, in the morning, you can start with your blemish corrector, follow with your dark mark management, and vice versa in the evening. Thank you for tuning in to Skintelligence with Skin Functional. Please do not hesitate to like, share, comment, and also reach out. You are never alone in your skincare journey with Skin Functional.